Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. With the market almost ruling out a 50 BP increase by the Federal Reserve on February 1, the interest rate adjustment seems to have mostly run its course. This could be helping to reduce the selling pressure on greenback. Today's general tone is one of consolidation. Today, there is a slight risk-off bias. While Japanese stocks rose, China, Hong Kong, and South Korean equities fell. Stoxx 600 in Europe is making a 4-day gain, while futures in the United States are trading with a stronger bias. Uncertainty remains a major source of uncertainty as tomorrow's Bank of Japan meeting results. Asian Pacific market. The Bank of Japan finds itself in an unenviable situation of its own making. Its credibility will be diminished if it changes the yield curve control, either by increasing the yield on the 10-year term or abandoning it altogether. In the 3 previous sessions, it has spent more $80 billion defending it. Japan will release its December CPI figures at the end of the week. The headline and core rates rise to 4%. Yesterday's drop to JPY 127.25, its lowest point since May last year, saw the dollar fall to JPY 129.15 today, thanks to early Asian turnover. China provided better data than was expected. The economy did not contract as many expected, but stagnated in the fourth quarter after experiencing 3.9% growth in the third quarter. Yesterday, the Australian dollar briefly climbed above $0 and 7,000 cents for the first time since August. Today, it has fallen to 0.6930 in Europe. Market of Europe. Last year, the German DAX suffered a loss of 12.4%. It is currently up 8.7% over last year. The largest economy in Europe appears to be stagnant, despite expectations of a fourth quarter contraction. The UK's employment data strengthened the belief that the Bank of England will raise the base rate to 50 pip at its February 2 meeting. Weekly earnings are the main focus. They accelerated to 6.4% in November with and without bonuses. Tomorrow, the UK will release December CPI figures. Yesterday, the euro was at $1.875, but it stalled and fell back to 1.08. It is still above yesterday's low. Sterling has not changed much in the last 24 hours. Market of America. Slowly begins the holiday-shortened busy week of U.S. economic data. Today's first survey by the regional Fed for January is available. Canada today reports December CPI ahead of the Bank of Canada meeting next week. Canada also reports December housing starts. At the end of last week, the U.S. dollar hit a low near CAD 133.20. Today, it is almost at 134.40. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.